Hey crafty friends, I'm here for a thrift haul from the Goodwill bins, or the Goodwill Outlet as it's called, and I wanted to show you some things that I picked up. I wasn't in there for very long. I also want to show you how much I paid and for what I purchased, and let's get going. I have Presidents of the United States. This actually came in a frame. The frame was busted, but I wanted this. And it was not but $1, maybe. No, 50 cents. So I did get that. I got a bunch of things for the office. Love these clips. And let's see. Okay, first I'm working on my sister's a journal for my sister, and so for Christmas, and I found this rosary. She is Catholic, and so I thought this was really pretty. I don't know, they're definitely stones, but I thought it'd be neat to just like do it as a journal wrap like this around it, and then if she wanted to, she could use it. So I'm gonna do a little prayer journal for her, and I thought that that would be perfect. So I did pick this up. And I don't, 50 cents. Okay, these all were 50 cents. So I never leave a stapler, vintage stapler behind. Got that. And the cool thing was that I did find some staples. So I got some staples. These are all 50 cents. I found some invisible matte finish tape because, you know, you always need Scotch tape, and for 50 cents, good deal. I never leave labels behind. These are a great size, and I can just print on them or ink them or paint them or whatever. I always pick up labels. In fact, I just got a box that I've been putting my labels in. Okay, let's see, where did I put that? Well, I was going to show it to you, now I can't find it. Nope. Oh, here it is. So I have like some labels. These are not all my collection, but as I've been buying them, I have recently been storing them in this little box. So I will put these in there also. And I've been trying to keep all my little labels together. I'm so organized. I can't help it. I can't help myself. Okay. Whenever I can pick up these older jumbo ones, I do, because these you can rust. So always look for the older paper clips whenever you can find them. Pick them up because they rust and they oxidize great. Bull clip. I found some of these China markers. These are awesome to use. It looks like it was on Walmart clearance for $1.05. But the China markers are great to use in your journal. And then I found this stamp pad ink. And I thought what was good about I can use this for is I can put it on my brayer, and all those antique stamp sets, you know, that I got from the printer stamps, I can use this on there. And I did get a few things for the house. I found these are the metal contact, medium, small. They're the brushed nickel hooks, and so I thought these were pretty cool. I got those. These were, let's see. So anything that's plastic, well, plastic I paid $1 for. I don't know what's here that she considered plastic. I don't see anything plastic. Anyway, plastic, 15 cents. I bought something for 15 cents. I have no idea. Sorry. Would have been plastic. Home decor, $1. That would have been these. I did get these 2 hooks. They're hold tie backs. However, what I'm going to use them for is by my laundry. I can hang my clothes up when I'm ironing. So I'll put these on the wall. I can hang my clothes up while I'm ironing, and I can put one in my master closet. So for my outfit of the day, I can hang it on one of these. I just hang it upright like a hook, but it stands out far enough from the wall. So these are a great little thing to purchase if you can find them. And for $1, that was pretty awesome. It doesn't have a price on them. Allen Roth is Home Depot, I believe. So I got 3 other things that were $2 and I got something else that was 3. Maybe this was 3. The home decor was that United States president, because that was in the, yeah. And then I got 99 cents a pound for the comforter and sheets and all the linens. I'll show you. I paid $2.69 total. Anyway, my total with tax for all this stuff I'm gonna finish showing you was only $26. So, you know, price of going to a movie and getting a popcorn, right? But this is the gift that keeps on giving. And I got, these are little palettes. And so I thought these were gonna be perfect for when I teach classes. And I did, so I picked these up. Okay, then I found, these are random letters. They don't have all of them, but I just grabbed them. They were in the bottom of a bin. So I knew they were going to be relatively inexpensive. I got all these vintage patterns. Like, I need more patterns, but I couldn't leave them. Look how cute. These were more, I think, 1980s, 90s. 1986. I couldn't leave them. This looks more 90s. This one said, oh no, it's 1984. Oh my, this is so, I was going to say this is so Ralph Lauren, and look, it is Ralph Lauren. Oh my goodness. This one is from, it doesn't have a year on it, but I'm going to say very Princess Di looking. Even the hairstyle, right? And that one, Joan Collins. Oh my goodness. This is something my mother definitely would have worn back in the day. Let's see what year this was. Why doesn't it have a year? Oh wait, it does. 1985. 1985. All right. Got those. Okay, the linens I picked up were these sheets, which that's the wrong side. I loved this sage green though, so I did get these and they were in great shape. I thought the print of the flower was just really different, so I did pick that up. And then I got this pillowcase because I'm doing a Rainbow Bright journal, so I thought that was kind of cool. And I may make the tie out of it. I don't know, use it for pockets. Care Bears, it would go with the Care Bear journal too. So I got that one because that one was in really good shape. Okay, so for the linens, now I told you I paid $2.69 for all of that so far. And then I found these also. So this fell under the $2.69 total. I found the strawberry linen, the little cross-stitch linen. I found this vintage Christmas. I was super excited about this. The vintage Christmas apron. Look how cute. It's gonna look great in my Christmas display on my mannequin. I have a vintage mannequin. And I'll dress her up with that, like a hostess from the 1950s. I found these are tissue linen, and they're plain. They have a little bit down in the corner, but I really bought it just for this fabric. It's great to stamp on. And then look at this. It's so sweet for a wedding. I am putting together a wedding kit. I sold the last one I had. This is linen. This feels like more like Irish linen. This is like the other one, that tissue linen. Very gauzy. I don't know if that is, I don't know what that is on the corner. I can't tell if it's an iris or something, but I really just got it for the fabric. This one, I bought some of these. They have an initial on there, but I bought it for the linen. And of course, I'm going to have to really give these a good soak and cleaning. I found a whole linen tablecloth. And this is that same kind of tissue linen. So I did get that. And it's all embroidered with, I think it's an iris. Now that I can see it bigger, looks, I don't know what that is. It looks kind of like an iris. And then here are some more of those napkins. And some more of that one. And another one that has that same embroidered letter on it. And here were some more of that. So that was it for my fabrics and my linens. Then I got, I bought this roll of paper because I'm moving. So I thought, you know what? They're going to probably charge me 50 cents for it. And it's cheaper than packing paper. So I just took it and I will use it for that. And whatever I have left over, I will use it in my craft room. And let's see. Okay, I've got some laces and trims. And I pulled these. This was all like all over the place in bins. I had to dig. I had to dig for this stuff. One of the first ones I saw was this. And usually when they toss stuff in a bin, you know there's going to be more. Like if there's sewing notions and things in it, you know you're going to find more. So I found this really pretty black and gold and gray trim. And I found this really sweet little like pom-pom fringe trim. It's cotton. And then this is just hem binding, whatever, hem facing. Then I found this pink rickrack because no rickrack left behind. And I got this big, I got this big white one also. So I got the big white one. And I got this, which I thought at first it was stretchy, but it's not stretchy. So how cool is that to put on a binding? It's beautiful. Very fine lace. Feels great. So it may have been slip lace is what I'm thinking, or lingerie lace, because it's very soft, very soft. And then there was another piece here. And then I got this really sweet, delicate little blue and white trim. And this ruffly, the only reason why I got it was for the color. I'm not a big ruffly person. Of course I can I'll cut it off the ruffle. But even if I just took the little flower, I could just cut the flowers out. So I just thought the color was really pretty. It's kind of almost like a tea dye kind of color. This is more taupe. This is, wow, super wide. And you could cut that apart or use it as a page. So I got that one. Okay, that's that trim. Then I got a bag of, and I haven't even looked at this. This was just in a bin, of pom-pom trim. So pretty pink, lots of red. There's some red rickrack, light pink. Oh, this would be perfect for that Rainbow Bright journal. I'm gonna put that with that other thing. Pom-poms, black, some black, and white. Now these look like they bought by the yard because they're taped on the end. So that is what I got. I'm gonna keep the lace. I'll put the rickrack in with this. And that's it for this haul. So thank you for joining me, and I appreciate all the likes, subscribes, and the notification bells. Anyone who leaves a comment below, just tell me what your favorite thing was, how you would use it. Are you out thrifting? Are you going to estate sales? Let me know. And have you ever been to the Goodwill Outlet? I will talk to you soon. Bye.